Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, colleagues, professionals, students, scholars, sportsmen, doctors, officials and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. What is the proper use of vaccination? Today is our topic of discussion. Vaccination related. Vaccine is specific medicine used to promote the production of antibodies. It is prepared from the suspension or extract of dead or weakened germs of a disease, which can be injected into a healthy or diseased person. It helps to provide temporary or permanent active or passive immunity by including antibodies formation. The fundamental truth of vaccination or immunization is based on the property of memory of prevention and protection of disease through microbes, that is immune system. Vaccines were not created as treatment of virus. Rather, these are tools which can be used to prevent certain viral disorders. Polio virus during early childhood in 5 doses, MMR from 9 to 15 months in 1 dose, chickenpox up to 12 months in 5 doses, hepatitis A and B in the form of passive immune serum, globulin, measles virus, etc. We should realize the concept that prevention is better than cure. Every person should be conscious for personal health and be willing to take care of the society. The qualified persons can well understand about the causes, ill effect, prevention and treatment of common diseases. They can also seek the help of government, social and charitable organizations. Everyone should take care of personal hygiene, balanced diet, honest work culture, daily exercise, time for prayers and medicine, spare time for selfless voluntary service to the society, and develop faith in Divine Lord to lead peaceful life through His kind blessings. Modern era is the era of machines. Machines now perform many duties, starting from as simple a duty as cleaning the floor to flying the aeroplanes. With the advent of machinery, Human life has become quite easy. Menial work has become a story of the past, especially in the developed countries. It is expected that this scenario will undergo more drastic changes in the days to draw. Future will see the improvised robotic technology. I think that human beings need some time, leisure to ponder over more serious issues. But the irony of fact is that human beings have started misusing machinery. Machinery has rendered man workless, which has eventually given birth to sedentary lifestyle. According to a survey, sedentary lifestyle is one of 10 causes of death and disablement in today's world. It leads to obesity, which in turn gives birth to a lot of physical, social, psychological, emotional and conjugal problems. In my opinion, machine should be used as a tool, not an end point. Like science, it is a good servant but a bad master. Machines should not make us dependent and handicapped. It is rightly said that just like gold, the more you use your body, the more does it shine. We should use our body in such a way as it is fully lubricated. We should use machinery for more betterment, lest it should be used by our treatment. In this respect, we have to be very clear, draw a line between passive entertainment and active recreation. Reduce your time of sitting before television, internet and other electronic gadgets which bind us to the chair. We should avoid snacks while watching television. Participation in active social welfare activities is an efficacious cure of the problems created by sedentary lifestyle. When you come out of your shell and share the griefs of others, you attain a sense of usefulness. But if you enclose yourself in ivory towers, you will not set the real experience of life. Be up and doing and face the challenges of life. Direct exposure to sunlight, winds and the rain can make us healthier than an air conditioned gym can. So keep us balance between active life and sedentary life. I have a firm and unflinching faith that physical work is the only panacea for the modern world, wounded by violence, disease. The word powers thought that violent means and deadly weapons could establish supremacy in the world. People could be suppressed and made to act and be tamed.